Ready to hit the beach with your favorite Marvel heroes? Marvel's Rivals just dropped a sizzling update with new beachwear skins for Squirrel Girl and Rocket Raccoon, plus tons of gameplay upgrades. Stick around to see why this update is a total vibe. What's good, gamers? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the hottest gaming scoops. Today we're diving into the Marvel Rivals May 8th update, packed with summer flair and slick improvements. Let's jump in. Marvel Rivals is bringing the heat with two new skins from the Krakoa Resort collection inspired by Marvel Infinity Comics. Squirrel Girl's Sunshine Squirrel skin and Rocket Raccoon's Sunshine Raccoon skin are all about beach vibes. Picture Squirrel Girl rocking a sunny outfit and Rocket in tribal beachwear. These are straight up fire. NetEase Games announced this on 7th May 2025 and they're already live in the in-game store. Who's ready to flex these looks? Let's break down the goods. The Squirrel Girl Sunshine Squirrel bundle includes the skin, an MVP animation, a nameplate, an emote, and a spray. Everything you need to stand out. Rocket Raccoon Sunshine Raccoon bundle is just as loaded, with the same perks, an MVP animation, nameplate, emote, and spray. Rocket skin is a legendary tier, priced at 2,400 units for the full bundle or 2,000 units for the costume alone. These Krakoa Resort skins are perfect for summer showdowns, but it's not just about looks. This update brings some serious gameplay glow-ups. The May 8th patch notes from NetEase Games highlight new UI features and fixes to make Marvel Rivals feel smoother than ever. Think cleaner menus, better navigation, and bug squashes that keep the action seamless. Whether you're swinging with Spider-Man or blasting with Rocket, these tweaks make every match more epic. Check the full patch for the nitty-gritty. Why is this update a big deal? The Krakoa Resort skins add serious flair to your roster, and the gameplay fixes mean you're getting a polished experience. Whether you're a casual player or ranked grinder, these changes make Marvel Rivals more fun and stylish. But let's talk. Are these skins worth the units, or are you saving for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. That's the scoop on Marvel Rivals Beachy Update. If you're hyped for these skins and upgrades, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming news.